So, last time we have discussed homogeneous linear partial differential equations. Now, today we will discuss non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations. So, as we know, an equation of the form a naught curly n z over curly x n plus a1 curly n z over curly x n minus 1 dy and so on a n curly n z over curly y n is equal to fxy, and that equation number 1 where a naught, a1, a2 and so on an are constants is called homogeneous linear partial differential equation of nth order with constant coefficients. Clear? So, this one is a homogeneous linear partial differential equation of nth order with constant coefficients. Okay. So, here all the partial derivatives are of the nth order. Clear? So, due to this reason, this one is homogeneous linear partial differential equations of nth order. Now, if we write d for curly over curly x, d dash for curly over curly y, then this equation number 1 can be represented like this way: dn plus a1 dn minus 1 d dash plus a2 dn minus 2 d dash square plus and so on plus an d dash n z is equal to fxy. And in short, we can write left side is function of d d dash z. Okay, function of d d dash z is equal to fxy. So, that one is the symbolical representation of this type of homogeneous linear partial differential equations. Okay. Now, what is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations? So, in the equation f d d dash z is equal to fxy, if the polynomial f d d dash in d d dash is not homogeneous, then this one equation is called a non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. For example, here d square, so this order is 2, so d d dash 1 1 order is 2, d dash square, so order is 2, but here order is 1, here order is 1. So, due to this reason, right, so this one is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. So, this one is the example of this kind of differential equations. So, that one is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations. If this type of polynomial is not homogeneous, then this type of equation is called non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations. Okay. So, question is, how can we evaluate the solution of such type of non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations? So, as in the case of homogeneous linear partial differential equations, its solution is as usual sum of complementary function plus particular integral. Okay. So, question is, how can we evaluate this particular integral? The method to find particular integral is exactly the same as those for homogeneous linear partial differential equations. Okay. And to find the complementary function, so this part is important. How can we evaluate the complementary function for this problem, for these type of problems? So, resolve phi d d dash into linear factors. Okay. Resolve phi d d dash into linear factors of the form this, Okay. So, if that equation is homogeneous, then here a is 0. Clear? So, in that case d minus m d dash, we get that type of result. But here because this one is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, so we can resolve phi d dash into linear factors of this type of form. Okay. Then solution of this, then find the solution of this type of equation d minus m d dash minus a z is equal to 0. Clear? So, this can be written as p minus m q is equal to a z. P minus m q is equal to a z, and that one is Lagrange's differential equation. So, write the Lagrange's auxiliary equations. So, Lagrange's auxiliary equations are this: dx over 1 is equal to dy over minus m is equal to dz over az. Okay. In case of homogeneous linear partial differential equation, dz divided by 0, not az. Clear? So, because this one is a non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, so we have dz divided by az. So, from first two members, so when we collect these two members, right, dy plus m dx is equal to 0, and from this we get y plus mx is equal to b. Clear? And from first and last member, we obtain dz over z is equal to a dx, and that one is log z is equal to ax plus log c. This means z is equal to c e raised to power ax. So from this, what is c? C is z divided by e raised to power ax, and b is y plus mx. So how can we write the solution? Solution can be written as c is equal to function of b. C is equal to function of b. So we can write c is equal to function of b, means z is equal to e raised to power ax function of y plus mx. So that one is the solution, complete solution of these type of problems, okay, these type of results, okay. And in case of homogeneous case, so first part is as it is, but in case of second, dz divided by 0, so z is equal to b. Clear? So in that case, this one is the solution of this type. Similarly, this one is the solution for another value of m1, okay. Hence the complete solution can be written like this way. So here difference is here dz over az, clear, and due to this reason, when you collect first and last members, we get z is equal to c e raised to power ax, but in this case z is equal to b, but in this case z is equal to c e raised to power ax. So finally complete solution can be written like this way, okay. This one is the method for evaluating the complementary functions. So hence the complementary function of one, that is the complete solution, okay, can be written like of this equation can be written as z is equal to e raised to power a1x function of y plus mx m1x plus e raised to power a2x function of y plus m2x plus and so on e raised to power anx function of y plus mnx. So that complete solution can be written like this way, okay. Also in case of repeated factors, okay, repeated factors means d minus md dash minus a cube z is equal to 0, then z can be written as, solution can be written as e raised to power ax f1x, then x e raised to power ax function of y plus mx, then x square e raised to power ax function of y plus mx. So in this way you can write the complete solution, okay. Now solve this type of non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. So this equation is non-homogeneous due to this term, okay. This equation is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, okay. So what is the write the given differential equation, then that given differential equation is d square plus 2d dash plus d dash square minus 2d dash z is equal to sin x plus 2y, okay. And clearly this one is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations with constant coefficients, okay. Now find the complementary functions. First step is find the complementary function, okay. So here f d dash z is equal to d plus d dash minus 0 into d plus d dash minus 2z, okay. So this left side can be written like this way, okay. And since the solution of this okay can be written like this way, so use this formula for evaluating the complete solution, complementary function for this problem, okay. So complementary function becomes here d plus d dash minus 0, d plus d dash minus 2. So function of y minus x plus e raised to power 2x function of y minus x. That one is the complementary function for this problem. So use this method, use this formula for evaluating the complementary function for the present case, okay. Now second step is how can we evaluate the particular integral for this problem. So particular integral is 1 over this function of d dash, okay, means d square plus 2d dash plus d dash square minus 2d minus 2d dash, and capital F x y is sin x plus 2y, okay. So use the various methods which we have discussed in previous chapters, okay. So it becomes like this way, 1 over d square, substitute d square is equal to minus 1 plus 2 times minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 2d dash sin x plus 2ay, and it becomes in simplest form, it becomes this, okay. So multiply and divide by this term, okay. So denominator becomes this, and simplify, okay, and use the concept, okay. This we obtain particular integral is this. We obtain particular integral is 1 over 39 2 cos x plus 2y minus 3 sin x plus 2y. So simplify this whole process, okay, as usual, and find the particular integral. So now we have complementary function, we have particular integral, then write the this complete solution, and complete solution can be written as z is equal to cf plus pi, complementary function plus particular integral. So this one is complementary function and this one is particular integral. So that one is a complete solution of this non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. On the same line, calculate the solution of this non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation, and that one is d square minus d dash square plus 3d dash minus 3d. So due to the presence of these two terms, this equation is non-homogeneous. Clear? And right side is e raised to power x plus 2y plus xy. Okay. So clearly this one is a non-homogeneous partial differential equation, linear partial differential equation, and with constant coefficients, right? Then first step is to find the complementary function. So how can we evaluate the complementary function? Since we write f d d dash z is equal to this result, and that can be factorized into linear factors d minus d dash, d plus d dash minus 3 z. Okay, and this can be written like this way. Okay, this can be written like this way. Okay, and second factor as it is. Now use this method for evaluating the complementary function. Okay, so in this case, complementary function is function of y plus x plus e raised to power 3x function of y minus x. Okay, so compare each and every step. Okay, compare each and every step, and you can write the complementary functions in this case also. Okay, now second step is how can we evaluate the particular integral. So we have two terms. First term is e raised to power x plus 2y, and second term is xy. So first calculate the particular integral corresponding to this term, and then particular integral corresponding to this xy. Okay, so first calculate the particular integral corresponding to e raised to power x plus 2y. So when you calculate particular integral corresponding to e raised to power x plus 2y, this means 1 divided by function of d d dash and capital F xy. First this component e raised to power x plus 2y. Okay, and solve. Okay, and solve this part. Okay, so calculate this. Okay, step by step you can calculate the value of this one. Okay, so particular integral after simplification we obtain minus y e raised to power x plus y. Okay, minus y e raised to power x plus y. Similarly, calculate the particular integral corresponding to xy. Corresponding to xy. So here replace e raised to power x plus 2y by xy. Okay, and this term can be written like this way. Okay, and use this binomial expansion. Okay, so minus 1 over 3d, this expansion, and xy as it is. Okay, now multiply both these factors, we obtain this type of result. Okay, then apply this function xy on each and every term, right? So when you calculate, you will get this one is the particular integral. Okay, so particular integral is this plus this value. Okay, then how can we write complete solution? Complementary function plus particular integral can be written as this. Okay, so this one is complementary function, and this one is particular integral. Okay, so this can be written like this way. Okay, so one more question. Solve the following non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation d minus 3d dash minus 2. So due to the presence of minus 2, this it becomes a non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation. Okay, so this result is equal to 6 e raised to power 2x sine 3x plus y. Okay, so we have given this equation, which is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. So first step is, as usual, step 1 is to find the complementary function. So here we know f d d dash z is equal to d minus 3d dash minus 2 cube z, right? And we know how can we write the solution. If this cube z is equal to 0, then first term like this, second term x times this, third term x square e raised to power ax function of y plus mx. So use this method to evaluate the complementary function. So in this problem, complementary function is e raised to power 2x function of y plus 3x, x e raised to power 2x function of y plus 3x, x square e raised to power 2x function of y plus 3x. So in this way you can calculate the complementary function for the given problem. Okay. Now second part is to find the particular integral. So particular integral, capital F xy is this. Capital F xy is this 6 e raised to power 2x sin 3x plus y. Okay, अब देखिए इसको आप इस ऑपरेटर से बाहर कैसे लाओगे? ओके, ये आप बाहर लेके आ रहे हो, ठीक है, तो कैसे लाओगे? रिप्लेस दिस d by d plus 2. Okay, minus 3d as it is and minus 2 as it is. So replace, when you shift this problem like this way, okay, replace this d by d plus 2, okay, और इसको अब आप solve कर सकते हो, okay. So we get this type of result, and after simplification you will get this particular integral. Then what is the complete solution? Complete solution is z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So this one is complementary function and this one is particular integral. Okay. So you can solve few more problems related to this non-homogeneous partial differential equations. Okay. And now we will discuss those problems which can reducible to this particular type of problems, which can be easily reducible to this non-homogeneous linear partial differential equations with constant coefficients. तो इस टाइप की जो प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी वो स्पेसिफिक टाइप की प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, उन्हीं को आप रिड्यूस कर पाओगे, अदरवाइज हर प्रॉब्लम को आप रिड्यूस नहीं कर पाओगे, राइट. सो वो कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जिनको आप इजीली रिड्यूस कर पाओगे, as we have discussed in the previous slides. Okay. So an equation in which the coefficients of the derivatives of any order, say k, the coefficient of the derivatives of any order k is the multiple of the variable of the degree k. An equation in which the coefficient of the derivative of any order, say k, is multiple of the variable of the degree k, then it can be reduced to a linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients in the following way. Okay. So in that type of problems, put x is equal to e raised to power x, capital X, y is equal to e raised to power capital Y, so that x is log x, y is log y, and then calculate curly z over curly x. Curly z over curly x is curly z over curly x over curly x, and that one is 1 over x, curly z over curly x. So this term as it is, and curly x over curly x, calculate this 1 over x. Okay. So this means x dz over dx is equal to dz over dx. So remember this type of result. This means this type of result. Okay. So x curly over curly x is equal to d. Substitute this term. Okay. So we can write x curly over curly x is equal to d. So this means x dz over dx can be written as dz over dx. ठीक है. तो देखिए ये किस टाइप से इसको आपने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. जब आप एक और डिग्री लेके चलोगे, अगर x k है, अगर k ऑर्डर का है और यहाँ जो कोफिशिएंट वेरिएबल है उसकी पावर भी k है, ठीक है, तो आपने उसको किस ढंग से इसको इलेबोरेट करना है. ओके. सो व्हेन यू पुट k इज इक्वल 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन, यू विल गेट x स्क्वायर curly square z over curly x square is d minus 1 dz. X cube curly cube z over curly x cube means this d minus 2 d minus 1 dz. So like this way you can transform the given problem, which can be easily reducible to the this linear partial differential equations with constant coefficients. तो इस टाइप की प्रॉब्लम में थोड़ा आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा कि आपको क्या क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है और इसकी वैल्यूज क्या है और इसको कैसे जो है वो सॉल्व करना है. ये आपका कर्ली z ओवर कर्ली x है. ओके. सो नॉट डी जेड ओवर डी एक्स. तो इसको आपने इस ढंग से सब्स्टिट्यूट करके इसकी वैल्यू को सॉल्व करना है. ओके. सो सिमिलरली you can write y dz over dz like this, y square this like this, y cube like this. Okay. And xy we can write dd dash z. So substitute in the given equation, it reduces to this form. It reduces to this form, which is a linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. So let us solve few problems related to this reduction form. Solve the following differential equations. ठीक है. अब देखिए ये 2 है तो यहाँ x स्क्वायर है, ये 2 है x1 y1 2 है, यहाँ 2 है डिग्री सॉरी ऑर्डर, तो यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर है, यहाँ 1 है तो यहाँ y है. ओके. एंड x क्यूब y4, this that one is capital F x y. Okay. So this equation is not with constant coefficients, but here coefficients are variable, but we can reduce to this equation to the linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients by substituting this x is equal to e raised to power capital X, y is equal to e raised to power capital Y. So this equation is not a linear partial differential equation, okay, with constant coefficients, but it can be reduced to linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients in the following manners. So and that one is substitute x is equal to e raised to power x, y is equal to e raised to power y. Okay. Y is equal to e raised to power y, and denote d is equal to curly over curly x, d dash is equal to curly over curly y. Then this equation becomes d minus 1 minus 4 d dash plus 4 d dash minus 1 d dash plus 6 d dash z is equal to e raised to power 3x plus 4y, and that can be written as like this way. And after substituting these new variables capital X, capital Y, you will get that one is a non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficient, and these type of problems we can solve easily. Okay, so process is same to find first complementary function and then particular integral. Okay, so again step 1 is to find the complementary function for this problem. Okay, so here जो हमारा सबसे पहला स्टेप है वो यही है कि क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, ठीक है, कि आपकी जो इक्वेशन है जिसमें जो कोफिशिएंट्स हैं वो कांस्टेंट नहीं है, ठीक है, क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करें कि आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम है वो पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बन जाए विद कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट्स, और वो भी इक्वेशन लीनियर, ठीक है, और नॉन होमोजेनियस. क्लियर? तो ये जो प्रॉब्लम है दैट वन इज नॉन होमोजेनियस लीनियर पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विद कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट्स. क्लियर? So here f dd dash z is equal to d minus 2d dash d minus 2d dash minus 1 z. Clear? And write the solution like this way. Okay, write the complementary function like this way. So complementary function is for this problem is function of y plus 2x plus e raised power x function of y plus 2x, and finally substitute the value of capital Y and capital X. Okay, so capital X is log x and capital Y is log y. Okay, so capital Y is log y 2 times capital this log x, okay, plus e raised power log x function of log y minus 2 log x. Okay, just simplify, you will get this type of complementary function. Clear? Now find the particular integral for this problem. So particular integral is 1 over d minus 2d dash d minus 2d dash minus 1 and this function e raised to power 3x plus 4y. Okay, and solve as usual and find the particular integral, and that one is 1 over 30 x cube y 4. Clear? Now write the complete solution. That complete solution can be written like this way: z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Clear? So this one is complementary function, this one is complementary function, and this one is particular integral, and that one is the complete solution of this non-homogeneous partial differential equations, linear partial differential equations with constant coefficients after reduction. Okay. Now one last problem, solve the following partial differential equation: d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1 z is equal to cos x plus 2y. Okay. Now this one is clearly a non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. So first step is to find the complementary function. Okay. So f dd dash z is equal to d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1. So due to the presence of this equation is non-homogeneous. Clear? Here power is 2, here order is 2, here order is 2, here 1, here 0. Clear? So this one is non-homogeneous linear partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay. So when you calculate the complementary functions, f dd dash z can be written like this way. Okay, and that can be written like this way. Okay. So we have these linear factors, okay, this one and this one. Clear? And then write the solution. So these are the factors. So apply this method. So we get complementary function is equal to this. Complementary function can be written as this is equal to e raised power x function of y plus e raised power minus x function of y plus x. Okay. So in this way that one is the complementary function. And particular integral is this 1 over d square minus dd dash plus d dash minus 1, here cos x plus 2y, cos x plus 2y. So simplify as usual, right, and it becomes this, substitute d is equal to minus 1 square, right, so we get this one, minus a square means minus 1 square and so on. Okay. So putting d square is equal to minus 1 square, dd dash is equal to minus 1, 2. So we get this one, and 1 over d dash means integral keeping x constant, okay, cos x plus 2y dy, and that one is 1 over 2 sin x plus 2y. Clear? Then write the, this one is the particular integral, then write the solution, complete solution for this problem. So z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. This means e raised power x f1y plus e raised power minus x f2y plus x plus 1 by 2 sin x plus 2y. So that one is the complete solution for this problem. Okay. So next time we will discuss the general method for these type of problems these type of linear partial differential equations of second order. Okay, and that one is Monge's method. Okay, so next time we will discuss last topic of this partial differential equation, and that one is Monge's method. Okay, so bye.